Good afternoon and welcome, Nishita. And I'm very proud of you what you have done, and I wish you many more success in coming year. I'm Dr. Shekhar from Cerebrum. Here is my student Nishita from Rohini Center, and she got selected for AFMG, and she is first year MBBS student there. I will be discussing how she started her journey and what she did and how she prepared. So yes, Nishita, please tell us about yourself first.
Myself, Nishita. I come from Delhi and have passed my senior secondary from Sachdev Public School itself, and thereafter I took a drop for the NEET exam.
Talking about biology, like how you prepared biology or what books you studied?
For biology, I never referred any book.
Like in your previous attempt, so you did not prepare NCERT?
In my previous attempt, I referred to the modules. I didn't knew that NCERT was the only Bible and we need to study from NCERT. The exam, it is only based on NCERT. I never knew this. So this was a drawback. And
then how you came to know about?
I went to Cerebrum. So there I got to know that the entire paper, the entire biology exam portion, it comes from NCERT. Okay. So there I got to know that I only need to study NCERT multiple times.
Like what was the fact presented to you जिससे आपको लगा कि नहीं इसी से आएगा पेपर?
I had 10 years, previous 10-year question papers, so I referred them when I studied an entire chapter from NCERT. Then I referred to those 10-year previous. So there I got to know that the questions are from NCERT only.
वो कौन-कौन सी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जो आपने अपनी प्रिपरेशन के टाइम पे इनकाउंटर करी फ्यूचर एस्पिरेंट के लिए? वो अगर उन प्रॉब्लम के सॉल्यूशंस आपने फाइंड आउट किए हैं तो उनके लिए हेल्पफुल हो सकता है.
The major problem that I faced during my phase, it was basically lack of guidance. So I never knew how to study for the NEET exam because I never have a clear path to follow. I went to Cerebrum. There I asked the teacher, please guide me throughout the path. So they provided me a clear vision of the NEET exam, the preparation phase and everything. That helped me a lot to study for the exam.
Okay. So there's a process that we follow at Cerebrum that is active recall. So how did you find it? Like it was really helpful or?
Yes, the active recall method, it was very helpful because when we read the NCERT multiple times, sometimes what we do is passive reading, which doesn't help much because that may cause lack of interest. So active recall was the best method, and active recall included quizzes and debates which helped us to boost our confidence. When we aced the quiz or debates, that built the competitive spirit inside us.
How did you manage? There are certain portion in biology, for example, physiology part, plant physiology. What did you do to solve that issue? There are certain students who will find it somewhat like chemistry or physics. What is your take on that?
Plant physiology was never an issue for me.
Okay.
It was I took it easy. The only problem I faced was learning the 10-step glycolysis, and my mother helped me to learn that. And I never referred any mnemonics or anything like that. I just read the NCERT multiple times. Then I got to know what plant physiology is actually about. It gave me a clear vision. And there were parts where I faced some disturbances where I was not able to understand. Then I asked my sir to explain it to me multiple times. I was never hesitant to ask him, and he explained the topic multiple times. And there were some portions which didn't require much understanding, but I need to cram them. So I asked my mother to help me to learn these topics.
So which is your favorite part in entire biology?
My favorite part includes human physiology and 12th initial units, I can say. There are some parts I don't dislike them, but they always cause disturbance. I was not so confident till the last day in those topics. Otherwise it was easy.
Another method that we usually use in our classes, for example, we ask you to teach a certain topic, right?
Okay.
What was your experience with that?
I would like to mention an incident of our coaching. I was never confident about learning animal kingdom, never. But there was a day when our teacher asked us to.
You can mention his name again.
Of course,
Because-
Shekhar sir.
So no, the audience doesn't know who was the teacher, so you can.
So,
uh,
obviously, Shekhar sir. So he asked us to learn the initial topics of Animal Kingdom. I guess till Porifera it was, and he asked us to learn the topics, and he scheduled a test for the next class, and I was so anxious to give that test, but my mother asked to take it easy, to learn the things, and of course sir was cooperative enough. Like if we asked him to schedule the test afterwards, he would never, but he would ask us to learn in the class itself. So I gave my 100% to learn the Animal Kingdom, and I was finally able to make it. I was able to learn it, and then there was a class where the test was scheduled. So sir asked us to who would come first and help the class to revise. So I went there with full confidence, and I closed the book, and I was able to narrate each and every word straight out of the book without even missing a line, without even missing a topic. And that was the day when I was much confident about my preparation. Many incidences help like this. Same happened with the human physiology, some chapters. So whenever I helped the class to revise those topics, it gave me more confidence about my preparation.
Do you know one thing? We are conducting half of the NEET paper, 180 marks. If your score is 170, then that means you will get 340 marks in NEET, plus minus 5 to 10 marks. What is your experience with the testing process that we follow?
The first exam I gave at the Cerebrum, it was of 360 marks, I remember, and it was of human reproduction. I scored 306 marks. I was much underconfident, but with the time, the teacher, Shekhar sir, helped me, and I was able to score well. And the main part was never missing any exam which was conducted in the coaching. I never missed any exam, and I was very particular about my exams.
And sometime your sir will miss the exam. Okay. Sometimes papers are not ready. A couple of times it happened.
But that helped us to prepare for the exams.
Yes, exactly.
Sometimes it happened sir scheduled some exams, but he knew that he is not gonna take those exams. So everybody was
Studying for the test.
They come prepared. It was kind of stress which was given to us, and that helped us to prepare for the exams, go through those topics and everything.
And I will not disclose that the test has been postponed till the test time, right? So even if you are in classes,
sometimes you are scammed.
Exactly.
But that was quite helpful.
Yeah.
So we prepared for the exam.
And even purpose was the same, so that
Definitely.
you are studying at home. You are you have this fact in mind that you are going to write a test, so you will
Yes.
prepare it. Then there is no test.
We prepared under pressure, but that was helpful. Definitely helpful.
One important thing at Cerebrum is we leave you quite free. We had plenty of breaks, right,
Yeah.
to make your long session productive. If you have something to mention about those breaks.
In the other coachings, basically, they don't give you any breaks, they exhaust you with long hour sessions. But at Cerebrum, it was different. So we got small breaks. The break was not that big. It was of 15 minutes in a, I guess, 4-hour class. So that was a 15 minutes break. But that helped us so much to detox ourselves and concentrate better. Short breaks are necessary, basically.
Correct. So if I ask you to give some tips to future NEET aspirants, especially biology part preparation, what advice you will give them?
NCERT is the Bible. Only refer NCERT and give mock tests. You don't need to refer to any other study material for biology, basically. Be more consistent.
There is one important thing that I want to point out. These days, everybody knows that paper is coming from NCERT. Then why they are not able to score that much? What is the problem with that?
To be very honest, not everybody knows that the paper comes from NCERT, including me. Even I never knew that the paper comes from NCERT. First day I went to Cerebrum coaching, the sir asked that where do you think the exam comes from? So I was like, 80% from NCRT. Sir said no, it comes 100% from NCRT. I never believed that, so I purchased books initially to practice questions and everything, but that never helped me. With time I realized that NCRT is the only Bible we need to refer to. Some people don't know that NCRT is the Bible, so that's the only part where they lack, so they don't prepare from NCRT.
Did you prepare any mnemonics or something to learn a certain topic?
I never prepared any mnemonics. I used to write them many a times so that I can learn that.
So beside Cerebrum and Shekhar sir, are there any?
My father is my role model in the preparation phase and otherwise also. My mother, she was my constant supporter. I would have never made it without her support. She always encouraged me to do better in my life. And my brother, he played an important role by taking me out on evening walks, which was the best part of my day. It used to be the best part of my day, and that helped me a lot more to focus on my studies. It was like a small break from the study sessions and everything. Also, I would like to mention that my uncle, like my mama, so he played a very important role, and he always encouraged me just like my mother did. So these 4 members, including my mentor Shekhar sir, they were the main people who like encouraged me, and they are a reason of my success today. So these are the 5 main people, and otherwise also many people helped me. Some of my friends I would like to mention, and some of my seniors, basically they helped me a lot, and some of my other relatives.
Okay, so as far I remember, every time I give those slips where you write your target. So your slip is still my purse. I'll show you afterward. In that you clearly mentioned that which college you are aspiring for, where you want to go.
Yes.
And finally you are in that college.
Yes, I have been manifesting it since 1 year. I have been manifesting it, and the day that I got to know that I am in that college, like I was full of tears. My eyes were full of tears. I always used to mention I need to go to AFMG, I need to make it to AFMG, and finally I'm happy that I made it to AFMG.
How was your experience when you visited recently with your parents to the campus? And how was it like?
It was so smooth. The faculties, they are so nice. They are so cooperative. Everybody is so cooperative and responsive, basically. Like my experience overall, it was great.
Anything in particular you want to talk about your college, please?
The patient flow is like too good. Because I would like to mention why is the patient flow so good? Because the services which are provided outside, they cost more. So they provide the same services in the lower cost. That's the basically main reason.
Can you recall any specific instance where my help came into like?
The main like guidance that helped me, my sir always motivated me to be optimistic even on the days when I felt like giving up. He always told that yes, you are capable enough and you can make it. And the main thing that is the like I would like to appreciate, and I would be always grateful about that you helped me to learn how to study from the book and not waste time on fancy notes. That was main thing that helped me. Because in my initial year when I took a drop, so I always used to waste time over the fancy notes, studying by various materials, referring other materials basically. But when I came to Cerebrum, I learned how to learn from the book. That helped me a lot, and that saved my time. And the active recall method, which I was never taught anywhere else, that helped me a lot.
So if we compare Cerebrum with other popular institutes, as far as I know you have been to one.
Yes.
So what are the differences between the two, like how Cerebrum is helping you better?
I would not like to mention the name, but yeah, I would definitely say that those big campus institutes and everything, they don't give you individual attention, whereas Cerebrum does. That helped me a lot. I have always been a person who needs personal attention. So sir have always been keeping a check on my personal like progress and everything, and that helped me a lot because he always used to guide me according to my like scores and everything. He helped me in giving the guidance basically, and those big institutes, they don't really care about it until and unless you are a scholar.
So basically, they focus more on like who can give the results, but not on
Yeah, they
everyone.
basically focus on that. But at Cerebrum, everyone was kept equal. No not distinguished like who's the scholar and everything. And also the small batch size, it matters a lot.
And how did you manage your exam related stress or pressure? Because at times I have also seen you like that you were in so much pressure, like what will happen, exam has been postponed, this that. So how did you like manage that?
I used to sit along with my family, share my thoughts with them, and they helped me to be at ease always. And sometimes when I felt like I can't share it with my family, preparation related stress, so I shared it with my sir. So like he always used to calm and compose and help us basically like to deal with the stress.
So talking about your future plan, I'm not going to disclose what exactly you have in your mind, your vision as a doctor.
My vision as a doctor, I want to take the pain and sufferings from the people by giving them medical treatment. Also, I want to provide services in the rural areas where doctors are not much accessible and people are suffering because of that issue.
Even sometime when we are preparing for certain exam, we encounter self-doubt, or in situation then we think that we are not going anywhere. Okay, so did you encounter any such incident, or like how did you manage?
Yes, of course, many a times. But I would like to repeat the same thing, that my family and my teachers, they were always there with me, and there was never a situation when I was in such a self-doubt that I was depressed and everything. They always told me to take things easy, and that helped me a lot.
And who is your role model?
My role model has always been my father.
Tell me about your other extracurriculars, if you are into, or you are planning to, both ways.
Yes, I'm a NCCA certificate holder, and my unit was 2D GBN. Also attended the NCC camp, which was held at Samaypur Bhatli for the 10 days, where I went for shooting.
Okay.
And it was a great experience being at the camp and experiencing that lifestyle. That also left a good impact on my life.
How you are going to plan your 5.5 year, like initial 2 years of enjoyment, then studying, or like?
No, I have enjoyed a lot in my life. Now I need to be like serious and particular about my studies.
ये जो जर्नी होती है, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि जो नीट प्रिपरेशन एक जर्नी है, ये तो बहुत सारे लाइफ स्किल सिखा रहा है, कि क्राइसिस मैनेजमेंट सिखा रहा है, टाइम मैनेजमेंट सिखा रहा है, कैसी सिचुएशन में आपको कैसे रिएक्ट करना है, और मोस्टली जो आपकी सिचुएशन में आपने जैसा बिहेव किया है वही आपका रिजल्ट होता है. जैसे जब आपको लगे कि अब मेरे से कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, और आप बैकअप कर गए कि नहीं अब नहीं हो रहा है कुछ, तो नहीं होगा कुछ. और अगर आपने सोचा कि हम इसको ओवरकम कर लेंगे और मेरा होगा, तो हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो ऐसे ही काम करता है. आपने इस अपनी जर्नी में कौन कौन से ऐसे स्किल डेवलप करे हैं जो आपको फ्यूचर में हेल्प करेंगे?
मैंने ये डेवलप किया है कि लाइक नो मैटर कितनी भी चीज़ें आपके आपको ये लग रहा होगा कि वो आपके अकॉर्डिंग नहीं जा रही हैं, स्टिल स्टे ऑप्टिमिस्टिक, थिंग्स विल गो योर वे. और मैंने इससे एक लाइफ लेसन ये भी लिया है कि हमेशा अपने मेंटोर्स की बात को सीरियसली लेकर और उनको फॉलो करो और कंसिस्टेंट रहो. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली डिसिप्लिन रहो.
गुड. बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं आज भी, जैसे अगर हम टोटल नीट एस्पायरेंट की बात करें तो 25 लाख बच्चे लिखते हैं, इस बार लिखा है जैसे, और उनमें से अराउंड 10 लाख बच्चे ऐसे हैं जिनका जो बेसिक कट ऑफ होता है ना, क्वालिफाइंग मार्क्स, उतने मार्क्स भी नहीं आते. एटलीस्ट उन 10 लाख बच्चों को इस तरह के सिस्टम की रिक्वायरमेंट है ना, जहाँ पे वो आके इम्प्रूव कर सकें, क्वालिफाइंग मार्क्स स्कोर कर सकें, और वो अपनी चॉइसेस के कॉलेजेस में जा सकें. राइट, तो इसके बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
इसके लिए से मेरा ये मानना है कि आई हैव बीन वन ऑफ दोज. तो इस पॉइंट पे बेसिकली जो स्टूडेंट देखता है वो देखते हैं कि उसको पर्सनल मेंटोरशिप कहाँ से मिल रही है। उस टाइम पे पर्सनल मेंटोरशिप बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज आई डिड अ मिस्टेक कि मैंने एक इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन कर लिया था जहाँ पर मुझे कोई भी पर्सनल अटेंशन नहीं मिल रही थी इन टर्म्स ऑफ माई प्रोग्रेस, इन टर्म्स ऑफ व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इन स्टडीज़। तो वो एक बहुत ज़्यादा मेरे को लाइक सेल्फ डाउट में ले आता है, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे ना मुझे बेसिक्स भी नहीं पता थे। तो यहाँ पर आके मुझे एक गाइडेंस मिली, मुझे पता चला कि कैसे पढ़ना होता है और कैसे सब करना होता है, बेसिक्स क्या होते हैं, हाउ टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है।
क्वेश्चन है, इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है कि कॉलेज में जाके आपके क्या क्या प्लान है, कि क्या करने वाले हो। सब हर एक का एक विज़न होता है कि इतनी सारी पढ़ाई करनी है, फ्यूचर के लिए इस तरह से प्लान करना है, पीजी के लिए प्लान करना है, तो आपने क्या सोचा हुआ है?
आई वुड लाइक टू कीप देम कॉन्फिडेंशियल, अदरवाइज जो चीज़ एक मैंने सोचा है, आई वुड ग्रैब एवरी पॉसिबल अपॉर्चुनिटी इन द कॉलेज, जो कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करेगी टू ओवरकम मे बी सम ऑफ माई इनसिक्योरिटीज़।
सो रिसेंटली यू कंप्लीटेड योर एडमिशन प्रोसेस एट योर कॉलेज, राइट? कब आपके क्लासेस स्टार्ट होने वाले हैं और ओरिएंटेशन स्टार्ट होगा?
अभी ओरिएंटेशन हमारा 14 अक्टूबर से स्टार्ट होगा। उसमें वो हमें कॉलेज से फेमिलियर करेंगे और उसके बाद
लोगों से भी कॉलेज के
और उसके बाद हमारी क्लास स्टार्ट हो जाएंगी।
इंटरेक्शन भी होगा वहाँ पे, हेल्दी इंटरेक्शन
मोस्ट प्रोबेबली।
मोस्ट प्रोबेबली। सेरिब्रम से भी आपके कोई ऐसे मैसेज मिले हैं कि कॉलेज में जाके आपको क्या करना है, कैसे करना है?
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट मैसेजेस जो मुझे मिले हैं। रिस्पेक्ट योर सीनियर, बेशक वो तुम्हारे से एक सेमेस्टर सीनियर हो, और मेडिकल में हायरार्की बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करती है, तो एक ये बहुत अच्छी एडवाइस मिली है मुझे। एंड बी बोल्ड, मतलब रिस्पेक्ट कि अगर तुम किसी की रिस्पेक्ट कर रहे हो तो दैट डजंट मीन कि आप खुद डिसरिस्पेक्ट हैंडल करोगे।
करेक्ट।
तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा, और लाइक सेरिब्रम बहुत ग्रो कर चुका है। लाइक इनिशियली सर टोल्ड अस सम प्लान्स, तो ही इज़ एग्जीक्यूटिंग दोज, so I wish to grow like Cerebrum in my life.
Thank you. So can you recall the day when your result was out और आपको पता चला कि फाइनली यू आर गेटिंग इनटू योर ड्रीम कॉलेज, तो आपका क्या रिएक्शन था? सबसे पहले आपने किसको बोला?
जो रिजल्ट डे था, इट वॉज क्वाइट डिसअपॉइंटिंग बिकॉज आई एक्सपेक्टेड मोर, बट विद टाइम इट सोक्ड इन। तो उसके बाद जिस दिन मेरा कॉलेज में एडमिशन हुआ था, सो वो डे बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल था। आई गॉट अ कॉल फ्रॉम माई फादर कि आपका फाइनली एडमिशन हो गया है एंड इनटू योर डिज़ायर्ड कॉलेज। सो दैट वाज द मे बी बेस्ट मोमेंट ऑफ माई लाइफ फॉर नाउ, अभी के लिए। तो और उसके बाद मैंने स्ट्रेट से को कॉल किया कि लाइक आई वॉज मैनिफेस्टिंग दिस फ्रॉम डे वन एंड आई फाइनली गॉट दिस कॉलेज। तो वो बहुत एक अच्छा और लाइक रिमार्केबल मोमेंट ऑफ माई लाइफ था।
नहीं, जब आपको पता चला तो सबसे पहले किसको कॉल किया आपने?
मैंने सबसे पहले सर को कॉल किया, बताया कि मुझे कॉलेज मिल गया है फाइनली।
तो सेरिब्रम में आपने बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें सीखी, राइट?
बहुत सारी।
कुछ आपको और भी चीज़ें लगती हैं जो सेरिब्रम को फ्यूचर एस्पिरेंट के लिए करना चाहिए?
फॉर नाउ आई वुड से कि सभी फैसिलिटीज़ हैं एंड बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से ग्रो कर रहा है, हर फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड की जा रही है। फैसिलिटीज़ में कहीं पर भी ऐसे कोई प्रॉब्लम है नहीं, बट हाँ टेस्ट और हो सकते हैं जूनियर्स के ऑफ कोर्स, हमारे नहीं, हम तो ये बोलते थे कि सर टेस्ट मत लो, बट हाँ जूनियर्स के लिए टेस्ट और हो सकते हैं।
अगर आपको ऐसे 5 पॉइंटर्स देने हो, ये 5 पॉइंट हैं सेरिब्रम में दैट यू लाइक द मोस्ट? पर्सनल
अटेंशन एंड इंडिविजुअल चेक्स, कोऑपरेटिव, द मेंटर वाज सो कोऑपरेटिव that sometimes we didn't felt like that he's our teacher and we felt like he's our elder brother. And these small tea breaks, I would say that was the most important part, ठीक है, for our detox। और मतलब गाइडेंस बहुत अच्छी दी थी। मतलब मेरे को ये लगता है कि मेरी प्रिपरेशन में लैक ऑफ गाइडेंस ही था बस, और वो गाइडेंस मुझे सेरिब्रम ने बहुत अच्छे से दी। और मतलब जो टेक्निक्स हैं, जिन टेक्निक्स से आप पढ़ाते हो कि एक्टिव रिकॉल करवाते हो, क्विज रख देते हो, डिबेट रख देते हो, और ये सब बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है। तो एक क्लास की वाइब बनी रहती है बेसिकली, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
और पीयर लर्निंग्स का भी कुछ एडवांटेज आपको मिला होगा? जैसे मैं लोगों को बोलता हूँ ना कि एक टॉपिक डिवाइड कर दिया कि सबको अपना टॉपिक सुनाओ, अगर वो नहीं बताएंगे तो आप पिटोगे, ऐसे करके। तो इससे आपको क्या एडवांटेज मिला?
जो हमने डिबेट्स की थी कोचिंग पे, डिबेट्स की थी, वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग थी। मतलब एक बहुत कॉम्पिटिटिव स्पिरिट आता था, गर्ल्स वर्सेस बॉयज़ की क्विज होती थी, तो यू लाइक लेट देम डाउन, हमें अच्छा करना। इवन दो रेशो बहुत डिफरेंस था रेशो में गर्ल्स बॉयज़ के, बट एक बहुत कॉम्पिटिटिव स्पिरिट रहता था उससे।
निशिता, वी फ्रॉम सेरेब्रम फैमिली विश यू वेरी वेल, एंड फ्यूचर में आप खूब तरक्की करो।
थैंक यू सो मच।
और एक फेमस डॉक्टर जो आपने स्पेशलिटी चूज़ करी है उसमें बनो, एंड सेरेब्रम विल ऑलवेज बी देयर फॉर यू। ओके, हमारा स्लोगन भी है नीट यूजी से पीजी तक वी आर विद यू। अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो, अपने लाइफ को एंजॉय करो।
थैंक यू सो मच। आज वी आर एंडिंग दिस कन्वर्सेशन ओवर है, सो आपने मेरे सारे फ्यूचर प्लान्स पूछ लिए, तो लाइक आई वुड नो कि सेरेब्रम अभी और कहाँ तक ग्रो करेगा, लाइक फ्यूचर प्लान्स ऑफ सेरेब्रम।
Cerebrum started and failed 5 years ago, okay, in 2017-18, and then it restarted and has grown. Basically, in those period of struggle, we figured out what is working the best, and at this point of time there has been many edtech companies, big edtech companies, they are facing downfall, and the very reason for their downfall is like they did not cater correctly to the all they thought about was making money. At Cerebrum there are no stakeholders, okay, it is bootstrapped company, and we promise to remain bootstrapped always. We will take no funding, nothing, and we want to become a biggest educator in the whole world.
You will, one
Yes,
day you will.
So that are our plan. So it will be very bold to say it right now, but we are on it. And seriously, we encountered some serious drawback that are there in other digital companies who are providing education digitally. In immediate future, I would like some more branches of Cerebrum to come up, and in long term, we are planning to become the whole and soul provider in medical education, so especially NEET UG, PG and super specialty.
Yes,
Yeah.
I would also like to add that Cerebrum made us believe that your comeback can be stronger than your setbacks.
Correct.
And I would like that if you will focus on like NEET PG as you used to do on NEET UG, so that in future also Cerebrum can assist us and help us with our PG preparations. That would be much helpful.
So we are already there. We have already discussed how we are planning. So basically, Cerebrum want to become like your mentor for life, like mentor for doctors, like
Yes.
that. So this is our vision. So once you enter in our system, we will be assisting you throughout your medical journey.
I forgot to mention, but there was also a point that Sir always used to ask students that what do you want to add into the system, and that was such a great great move that helped you to like think from students' vision,
Student perspective, yes.
and
Even
everything.
today also,
Yes.
If ultimately beneficiary of our program are students, then
Yes.
I have to think about the student. There is no other way.
Yes.
Right? So they are the ultimate users of the system that we are creating. If they are coming up with the request, it is a bonus for us because it will be helping us to build our systems.
Yes, that
So
was a
this is
like
how-
great move, and it
Yes.
helped the students to feel more connected with the teacher, that he's listening to our doubts. Best part was we used to ask our doubts again and again, and we never faced that issue जो like basically स्कूल में सबको फेस करना पड़ता है। टीचर्स जो पीटीएम में बोलते हैं आप कितनी भी बार पूछ सकते हो, बट वो बताते नहीं है। एट सेरेब्रम इट वॉज नेवर अ प्रॉब्लम, कितनी भी बार पूछ लो आपको सेम चीज़ बताई जाएगी विद दी सेम फ्लो, सेम अटेंशन।
Same attention. Yeah.
वो बेस्ट पार्ट था।
Earlier, when I was training you, I did not name this course.
Name
This
of the
course we call-
foundation.
Not the foundation. This course, this program basically, and now this program is called intensive program. Okay, so I took this name from intensive care unit, so it is called intensive program ICU. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, those students who are into intensive program, they are extensively being feed, okay, like what they need for to crack the NEET exam. So now there are many new children who have been enrolled in the intensive program, and they are doing good. One particular message that I want to give those students is कि जैसे साधना ने किया था, निशिता ने किया है, और ऐसे ही आप भी अच्छे से करोगे, and this journey will go on. और हमारे खुद के भी अपने चैलेंजेस हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब कि आपका गोल है इसलिए कर रहे हैं। हम ऐसे नहीं, इसको ट्रीट ही नहीं करते कि एक बच्चा आया और हमें उसको पढ़ा के उसका सिलेक्शन करवाना है, ये हमारा गोल नहीं है। हमारा गोल है कि अपने को बेटर रिजल्ट देने हैं। मतलब जैसे मान लिया हमारे पास कोई बच्चा आया, उसको लगता है कि मेरे 500 स्कोर आएंगे, हम उसको 600 करा के भेजेंगे। ठीक है, हमारा हाँ एक रीज़न क्या है कि हमारा खुद का भी ऑब्जर्वेशन होता है। बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जिनको लगता है कि नहीं मेरे तो 300 ही मार्क्स आएंगे। मैं सोचता हूँ उसके बारे में जब, तो मुझे पता है कि ये कितने ला सकता है, तो मैं उसको पुश करके वहाँ तक पहुँचा देता हूँ कि तुम्हारी एक्चुअल जो वैल्यू है वो इन मार्क्स की है। एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि कोई भी बच्चा जब एग्ज़ाम लिख रहा है तो उसे ये नहीं पता, वो NTA तो है नहीं वो बच्चा, ठीक है, और उसने 10 बार एग्ज़ाम भी नहीं लिखा है, पहली बार लिख रहा है। तो जो आसपास के लोग वैल्यू टैग अटैच करते हैं ना उस पर्सन के लिए कि नहीं तेरा तो नहीं होगा या तेरा तो हो जाएगा, तो तुझे इतने मार्क्स आएंगे, तो वो उन्हीं टैग्स पे बिलीव कर लेता है और उसको अपनी एक्चुअल वैल्यू पता नहीं होती है। और हमें जब पता चलता है तो फिर हम इंश्योर करते हैं कि उस वैल्यू से ऊपर ही पुश कर दें इसको, इससे नीचे नहीं आना चाहिए। हम उस टैलेंट को नर्चर करते हैं अच्छे से और उसको उस लेवल तक पहुंचाते हैं, एंड वेदर ही और सी इज़ अवेयर ऑफ इट और नॉट। ठीक है, और एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ हम सेरिब्रम पे करते हैं कि जैसे हमारे कोर्सेज़ के अलग अलग ग्रेड्स होते हैं। ठीक है, तो इंडिया फाइनेंशियली आपको पता है वी आर अ पुअर कंट्री इन अ वे। तो कोई भी बच्चा किसी भी लेवल का हो, फाइनेंशियल बैकग्राउंड का हो, जब हमारे सिस्टम में आता है हम उसको बराबर कर देते हैं। वो इसलिए करते हैं ताकि एटलीस्ट उसको एक इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी तो मिले, उसको आगे का रास्ता तो मिले। तो हम इस चीज़ में बहुत स्ट्रांगली बिलीव करते हैं कि किसी भी बच्चे के साथ इनजस्टिस नहीं होना चाहिए। हाँ, कई बार ऐसा होता है, कुछ बच्चे झूठ बोल के आते हैं कि वी आर वेरी पुअर।
आई रिमेंबर दिस, आप हमेशा एक स्लिप पे लिखवाते हो डे 1 कि व्हाट इज़ योर स्कोर, एक्सपेक्टेड स्कोर, रैंक एंड योर ड्रीम कॉलेज। तो मैंने उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा डाउन प्ले तो नहीं किया था, बट आई एक्सपेक्टेड दैट। तो आपने बोला था कि नहीं यू डिजर्व मोर, तो आप ज़्यादा केपेबल हो करने के लिए।
Exactly.
तो आपने हमें स्लिप्स दी थी कि नहीं आप ज़्यादा केपेबल हो, आप दोबारा करेक्ट करके लिखो एज पर माई एक्सपेक्टेशन।
करेक्ट,
अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था। I would like to say overall experience was great, and I would recommend who all are facing problem like not having a proper guidance and everything, they should surely come to Cerebrum and ask sir for help. Not a promotion video or something, but he is really helpful and a very kind person, and really it would have not been possible without you, because you gave me guidance and everything, and it played such an important role in my whole journey. And I would like to say advice maybe for future NEET aspirants: be confident and just believe in yourself. You will be able to make it one day, and if you take help from Cerebrum, then definitely you will be able to make it, no doubts.
That one day will come sooner.
That one day will come sooner, basically. So that was overall a very great experience. Thank you for assisting me, and I'll be forever grateful for your assistance, your help, everything.
Thank you, Nishita, for your kind words. I believe that more and more NEET aspirant will come forward, will get selected in NEET and become wonderful doctors, and they will serve this country. And so we have wishes for you, for your future. You are part of Cerebrum family now, so you remain a part of this family. Together we'll make things happen. So yeah.
I'm so glad for all your concern and your help always. Thank you so much, sir.
So Nishita, I have a small gift for you. So please take it and put around your neck.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
So officially now you are on the way to become a doctor, and Cerebrum wishes you well for your future. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir.